are you doing, dude? Come on now.
Hey.
Вот таких придурков полно завелось, без номеров, смотри. Вот таких придурков полно завелось, без номеров, смотри. Без номеров прет. Опа! Record video.
I have genuine friends now. I even hosted a party. I've got you, Viola, Rob, and thousands of other things that make me glad I didn't give up that day. And it's all because of you.
Thank you so much for sharing that with me. This is the best Christmas present anyone could ask for. And in return...
Go, man. Man! That's crazy, that guy. How you take a right to the left? This is not a right. This is his fault. This guy's fault.
So far are Washington. It's Thursday, July 31st. I'm Azhar Supri for the Wall Street Journal. Here is the AM edition of What's News, the top headlines and business stories moving your world today.
Ready to stone, carry out this law. Jesus said in effect, this is a new day. You are stoned for sins, there's mercy for your sin.
Come on, really?
Are you living under the Old Testament or the New Testament? Are you trying to condemn, expose, cancel, or are you gently restoring, covering?
You gotta be fucking kidding
Years
me.
ago, there was a minister that had a failure and
Patrolman Mark Jerome at night looks at his steps. His hips don't swivel quickly, and he's definitely not light on his feet. And has gained 40 pounds in the past 4 years.
I only eat burger, that's why, and Coke, yeah, soft drinks, and sometimes I cannot sleep. Oh my God.
wasn't my fault.
Along twin bays where tall ships dance across Caribbean blue waters. 50 challenge.
Like, I mean, if it's just once, then you really just have to struggle with her once, right? But if it's like several times a day, then it's...
There we go.
It becomes...
There we go. The truck just hit it.
Are you kidding me? I
Oh,
did.
I'm not kidding.
And the other guy's blocking that, so... Oh, he did. Careful, he's gonna back up.
Into the wind you go. Won't you let my darling know? My darling know. Bend a line into the wind you go. Won't you let my darling know?
What you doing, girl?
Oh, right. What time is that at?
Morning.
Poor girl. Oh my gosh. I almost died. Holy.
You're an idiot.